Hold on, chat. I'm just setting everything up right now. The server is raining too much, and everyone knows I hate rain. Oh. I hate this weather script too. Well, if I just have to fix something just to be able to stream. Client. Dick pic when is crazy. Once let me fix this. Weather line 47. Oh, it's not raining anymore. Okay, don't care then. All right, let me open up the script we're actually working on. All right, we're gonna be working on time. What do you mean time? Let me head into Civ towing. We're working on the tow script. There we go. There we go. All right, let's go to the tow hub. Twirling your toes. Oh, lordy. Twirling his toes. Bro. Stupid caps lock. Feet picks when. Feet picks now. I can't believe the automod blocked feet picks. That's not the right event. The way I type so horribly. I can't believe it also blocked that. Why did it block that? That's not good. That's printing 0. And that breaks. No. Hold on, let me. 1 sec. Let me. I don't know where Discord's open. There we go. Never mind. All right. Thank you, Stream Elements. Oh, I'm still calling the wrong event. Oopsie poopsie. Stop that.
Thank you for the follow.
Holy shit, that scared the fuck out of me.
Thank you for the follow.
Thanks for the follow. Appreciate that. Whoever that was. The fuck is happening? Shush dialogue. Work. Oh, I'm an idiot. Love your content, bro. Appreciate that, man. Thanks for subscribing.
Thank you for the follow. Thank you for the follow.
Is that like people subscribing to the YouTube channel, or is that people like, I don't know. Okay, and then the bed should spawn. There we go. And then we... Oh, fuck off. Oh, hold on. I'm not dealing with that. Wait. Isn't Reluctant in here? Reluctant is in the chat. We're using your handling editor, man. Him, her. Where's the car? Oh, wait, hold on. I forgot. It offsets it. There it is. I don't know why you said him / her, but hell yeah, man. Yeah, I only downloaded it because it had a nice UI and it was free. Because the only other one would be like the JG handling, and we're trying to save money on... We're trying to save money on things we don't need to buy. See, now, like, why is your name green? Why do you have a star next to your name? What does that mean? Hold on. What does that mean? Prove it. Yeah, I like it. I like the UI. Bro, what does that mean? YouTube member? Is that like the Twitch version of, or is that the YouTube version of like a sub? What bot? Do I get feet picked? 100% off your first month membership promo applied. What? Oh shit. You guys are you guys. So you become a YouTube member for $0. But does YouTube pay the creator for that? Like what it would actually cost? That's weird. I see that now though. James reluctant. Chemo. My tummy hurts. Oh, please stop that. His tummy hurts. Oh, I'm sorry. Your tummy hurts. No, shit. That 2 pound because his tummy hurts. My tummy's gonna hurt when I take that 2 pound and buy a Big Mac and eat it on stream. I've been trying to get into some coding 5M for the things I used to do, clothing and PD. Things I found the Udemy course from London Studios. Do you think it would be worth to buy? No. Don't waste your money on that. There's a lot of free content out there, especially on my channel. Don't pay for courses. Okay, it worked. Vin matches, so it should put a marker back to the depot. Good. Now, I don't remember how to detach the... Do I detach the rope now? Yeah. Is it attached? Yeah. Besides you, is there anything in specific or anyone? I don't really know, but I'm sure if you...
And BrockDev1 is now a YouTube member.
Became a sponsor? What the hell is a sponsor? Oh, wait, you became a full-fledged member. I don't know what that man's talking about. Charged me $2.99. What? Bro, what is a sponsor? You're my sponsor, man. So a subscription is like a demo of becoming a member. Is from... So, like, I'm looking at, like, the alert feed, and what you guys did said subscription, but what Brock just did says member, so I don't even know. Don't drink? I guess. I don't drink. Yet. I'm just trying to make him some... Yo, he's out here scamming on my behalf. That's crazy. Please rub my belly. It hurts so bad. Stop that. Stop that, James. Why does your belly hurt, James? What'd you do to yourself? Hold on, I want that to have push to talk. 1 second. Is this an element? Maybe it's an overlay? Why did it held the word yummy for review? That's crazy. Hold on. How to have YouTube. What's that called? A super chat? Oh my god. $2, 2 pounds? I'm getting confused. YouTube TTS for super chats. How do you do this? You have to have like a third party thing. Wait, you can't do it with stream elements? Yo, this is awkward for me. Oh, there's two Jameses right now. I'm so dead. Hold on, hold on. TTS. There's TTS for Super Chat. Oh, I'm not using this. Oh, 1 sec. I'm not using this like overlay thing. Hold on. Let me copy overlay URL. 1 sec, boys. Let me send this to myself. We'll fix this right now. Lucky Scripts. I think I know you, Lucky Scripts. I think I've looked at some of your stuff for my server. Oh, I'm such an idiot, man. 1 second. Let me message my alt accounts. It's in your past streams for as well, little moment. Okay. We're working on the toast script right now for Erupted. Let me test this real quick. I'm not gonna delete that because I don't want to break it. It's weird because all the platforms call their stuff things different things. Makes no sense.
Sylvie super chatted $10. Sibby super chatted $1. Born too late to explore the earth. Born too early to explore the universe. Born perfectly to explore dank memes.
I love how it rare to see Dev streams. Yeah, I used to whenever I played actively on FiveM, I used to love when Devs would stream. Why is it not on the screen?
Thank you for the follow.
Okay, so subscribing is when
Message
somebody
subscribe
subs.
to the channel. Bonnie super chatted $1. Born too late to explore the earth. Born too early to explore the universe. Born perfectly to explore dank memes.
Okay, one more test and we'll get back at it. Think slash me. Stop that. There we go.
Acrobat super chatted $50.
Now it has TTS too. Yeah, so Super Chat has TTS now. Cool, cool. Okay. At least I know that works now. Alright, let's get back to it then. We're currently working on a toast script for Erupted. I don't remember if I said it yet or not, but so we have the car here picked up and everything. So we have the whole pickup process done. Oh my gosh, the freaking phone is still broken. Let me post this in there. I need the phone to work, or else this is well, not necessarily, I guess. Well, it would be nice to have the phone. Oh, true, no phone. So it's not. It thinks we don't have a phone. Wait, was that when I just used it? Hold on, is my chat broken? No, no, we're good. Nope. Okay. Pull up. We might have to fix the phone real quick. Pull it up over here. Let me restart the phone. It's the same thing. Get phone data. I think it's probably because I broke something in the config. It's okay. We'll move on without it. One sec. Let me pull that back up. Oh, I was about to Google something.
Hey, honey boo, you look great.
What's up, Axel? Okay, so we know that's working. Actually, let me make sure it works still. Okay, so the other thing we need to do is, do you have any like worried about pay or anything? We need to figure out where the vehicle is. So wait, hold on. Why am I not saving that at all? Okay, we need to get the location of the work truck. And then what we need to do is local check. We're gonna get the CFG client dot manager dot chords, and if do vector math work truck chords. Can you add a script that lets save me, Chemo? Save me. If this is less than, if this is less than 5, then means we are Actually, you know what? Let's variabilize this. Local dist print dist. Or we'll cfg share dot debug. Oops. Debug that. Probably do 10 actually. Want to then delete entity. Truck. Well, actually, nah, it's fine. We want to actually delete it. Else. Yo, what's up, bro? I'm always waiting for you alive. I'm new, by the way. I have a question. Is it hard to make a restaurant script with like 3D animations? Like put the meat to the burger or something like? Yeah, I mean that's you need like custom animations and stuff. And I do not do animations. Don't think I actually need this anymore. And we're gonna have just up here. We're gonna do a local returns equals false. Well, that's it actually. This means we're close enough to return, so we're gonna do return equals true, else return equal false, and that's how we're gonna base this on your pay. Can't say animations. Pleb comes in clutch. Yeah, I don't like animations at all either. That's why with like a lot of my scripts, you'll see I just use the same animations because animations are not fun. What's this stream called? FiveM. So I'm just setting up some commands. Make sure these work. All right, there we go. Okay, so now we can check that. Where we don't need to delete this, but we can set entity as no longer needed, so it automatically the engine will just delete it. But that's the problem, is it's persistent. So Yeah, that's the problem. I wonder with a Q box stocks, because that's how I do the create vehicle. Or spawn vehicle. It's fine. It's fine. I'm hoping most people won't take the dock on the pay. So once we do that, we can go ahead and then we can go ahead and pass through. Well, that's not ending the job. That's not. I didn't even think about that. That's not ending the job. This is like going off duty. What if you just want to keep going? Okay. Um. Yeah, we just want to keep going. So instead, what we'll do. No, I don't even want to do that. I just want to have it. I just want to have them return the vehicle, and then like after a certain amount of time, it will give them another job, which makes me want to completely restart this entire script because I didn't even build it like that. So that's fun. On job. So we'll do actually local on duty. Oh man, makes me want to restart. Um, no, I can't restart because I actually like this script. Let's just try our hardest not to rage quit. Handle duty. If on duty, end job. Start job. End job. And then we'll do on job. Overall working or not. And then this one is has tow mission. Okay, so let's just get like the whole thing of finishing the job. So let's say we're done here. We don't want to work anymore. It didn't delete it, so handle duty. Okay, so we're on duty now. Let's say we don't want to work anymore. Off duty.
Hello? Hey girl, what's cracking? What? Who said that? I would never harass my
Let's make sure this event's even getting called.
Rosa! Hello! Nunca! Not even a kiss!
Oh, that's the distance. That's not correct.
He's fucking his dick, te lo juro. Why would I lie to my own prima hermana?
No, it's doing that. All right, we gotta go, and I didn't do it correctly. I knew it. We gotta go into garbage job like we always have to do because garbage is spawning vehicles. What's up, Mr. George? Did I ping everyone interrupted and say I was streaming? Garbage, 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 garbage. Job.
Hey, what's happening?
Here, this is what I have to do. And I thought I did this. I really love FiveM's development. Oh yeah, it's amazing. I need to get my vehicle. Then we do work truck equals bell. And then we're going to look one more time to make sure I'm spawning it on the network correctly. Or on the server correctly.
Some days I feel like I'm living in paradise. You know what I'm saying? I meant to say.
Three. What am I missing? Plate, number plate, and lock. Guess I forgot lock. Okay. So now if I do this, that, 150. Well, it obviously worked because it spawned. Why is it throwing again?
Hey girl, what you doing?
You create everything yourself? Not necessarily. I try to do as much as I can myself, though.
Oh, just on my way to my man's house. I'm gonna surprise him because I need some sex, okay?
Okay, somehow it doesn't exist. Hold on, I think that's actually not erroring like I think it is. I think this just throws an error. This is failing.
Hello? Hey girl, what's cracking?
I don't understand why this is failing.
How you doing?
Now I need to figure out why. Does it spawn when I do it with the garbage truck? Switch my job. So why is it working for this? Hold on, I feel like it's like being weird because I'm assigning it to nil up here. I'm just gonna remove nil on all of these. Then I'll also get rid of that stupid nil warning. I don't see how it failed, why it's saying failed to spawn though, because it's still spawning. That's what's weird. Oh, I'm an idiot. On duty. It's 12. I fix it. I'm a pro. I'm a pro. I know. You guys don't have to talk about how good I am at developing. But it's all right. I know. I'm a pro. And I'm gonna stop being lazy. Silly me. And then we're off duty now, so we can reset all of our values here, which is pretty much coming up here and nulling all of this. Just nil all that so we know the value is reset. And also so we can do if does entity exists target val. Oh man, we have to do this. We have to do distance checks on all these. You know what? Actually, screw that. We're gonna just set as no longer needed. We're just gonna set the vehicles as no longer needed. And we're gonna do if does blip these. Flip. That will delete both those flips. Target plate nil, target lock nil. There we go. Just reset those just in case. Returned. And then next thing we need to go is go into server and not need these functions anymore. We're gonna do dot callback. We'll do Oxlib callbacks are safer. And I can also return off of them easier. I prefer lib callbacks. Or from what I understand, they're safer. Someone told me that. I don't know. I don't know if they actually are or not. I can't remember. Someone told me that, but I just prefer it. Once a source. Oh, okay. That's fine. So what we'll do. So if we do that, and then to make life easier, we'll just spooner. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to change that.
Hey, remember me? It's Mama.
Worked. There we go. There we go. Oh, what the hell? Can you hear the music now? Oh shit. Hold on. There we go. I think there's music now. One sec. I need to fix the phone because I need the phone for emails. Like I hid my screen for a reason. Set down my cup, banging stuff around. I can't cuss. Let's see YouTube. I'm not allowed to cuss. Have you used the DUI draw poly part? Do you think it's good stuff? No, I've never used DUI. I don't know why this isn't working. Like why the phone itself isn't working. Like it's an item. What was that? That was weird. Okay, back to what I was doing. What happened? What? My stream just like died. Okay. Okay, good. Go back to what we were doing. That's the other thing, though. Is like, how am I gonna pay out? Imagine like some of the scripts has like repos and like they attack you. Yo, that would actually be kind of cool. Okay, the next thing we need to do is when we start the job, or when we go on duty here, we need to have another interaction here called like return vehicle, or like return in. We need to be if on duty and on job. There we go. On select, we'll run a function called local function. Turn in quickly. The entity. What's up, Nico? I'm currently making a towing script. Yeah, we're just working on tow script right now. I know that goes here. It's in QB Core ESX. It's a QBox. What happens if I do this? Alright. Oh, there's a lot of frameworks. Those are the two most popular. I gotta mess with this. This doesn't like to be very friendly. Okay, or it just doesn't want to work at all, so try forward a little bit. Where's Brock? I don't know what he's doing right now, actually. Alright. Gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Also, I gotta check the vent. Oh, shoot. Good. Now we can attach it. We can raise the bed. We can go back to the tow yard. We should be able to turn this in. There you go. Nice. And now I can go off duty. Hey, now you're a rock star. How many gangs pre-applied to server? I'm not really doing tickets. Who was pushing 130? Not taking any gang outs officially. A few extra. I don't know who that is. Oh, I don't like this actually. SDR, nice. Man can't even spell his own name. No wonder he's pushing 130. His fingers are thick. Oh, okay. No. You said SDR. Or SVD. SVD. Oh, I love you, Chemo. Are you guys... What are you guys smoking? Oh, what the heck? It did like some weird translation thing. It's like translated. No, you guys need glasses, man. There's like some translation thing there. Oh, I love you, Chemo. You're my favorite person on earth. I was about to do something, but I wittily forgot. Oh. What a nice function. Oh, that's for the context menu that I don't need anymore. Yo, this music, I might stand up and start dancing. This, oh yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay, I don't really want to have to keep driving and picking up the cars each time. And then we'll just step 1 foot over. And we'll have the 2 spawns there. And a hook that can pull the car. Yeah, that's what it is. It just wasn't working for a second for some reason. No. No what? Why is it translating stuff? It just translated whatever you said to easy. But then so you said easy. Wait. What is happening? Why am I getting translation? No, it's like translate. Oh, man. Hold on, I'll just show you guys. Let me pop out the chat. Look, hold on. Look, so here's the chat. And look, right here. It has that little translation thing. And then when I hover over it, it changed what you said. Like here, it says SDR, but when I hover over it, it says that. Why is it doing that? That's widowy so weird, dude. Widowy so weird. Alright. Alright. Yeah, that's why I thought you said SDR. Yeah. That's what I'm saying. Look, it said SDR, but then when I hover over to translate back or something. Something. I don't even know anymore. So then here we'll do thread. We'll wait between. What do you guys not get, man? It says SDR. Oh. Holy shit. What a day it's been. We'll wait between 60 seconds. Or 30 and 90. We don't need a while true do. We just need to wait. But we don't want to stop all code just because of this. So we'll wait it, and then we'll multiply this by CFG client dot seconds. And if when this finish, if on duty, then we're gonna call this get new target vehicle. If not, then we're actually just going to break out of this because we will no longer need to do this logic. Then we don't need to break actually because they're not in the loop. Will you translate? Yeah, see, it's translate the native language into English. Yeah. So what you just said, it automatically just translated it. So for some reason, it thinks your username, SDV, is a different language. What the helly? Yeah, that's interesting. That's really cool that they do that. Okay, but then let's actually have like a. Let's comment this out right click. We'll do between 1 and 5 seconds. The other thing we're gonna do is if we're gonna do a check here, if on duty, we're gonna do another notification here. This is where we'll send like no. Here we'll send like We get the whole paper system where you can like leave notes and stuff. I think you're asking that for the applications. We won't have to do that. I'm gonna set up like a whole like dedicated application system thing. Oh, in general, yeah. Yeah, that one's cool. I like that one. We can yeah, I can find one. I'm sure there's a free one out there. Hold on, what did it just say? Do I hump?
Do I hump you in your dreams while you're asleep?
What the? No. That's just not okay. I need the phone to work. Yeah, I hate you. Okay, so we need to do. To first get the email address from the phone. Good lord, we're gonna have to do some stuff here. Okay, so we're gonna call event here. Well, we're gonna need some information here, like the vehicle, like we should have the vehicle plate, the vehicle color. So this is just gonna have to be. Put this down at the bottom here. Yeah, I do like that paper thing. It was pretty cool. Okay, so let me actually pull up LB phone stocks. The first thing we're gonna have to do is get their phone number. Ah, that's how we can cheat around this. We'll get equipped a phone number from source. Wait, what's the difference between that and that send notification one? The target could be a source. Title. What the fuck? Why is it snowing? Custom data. What can you do with custom data? Buttons. Okay. I just don't understand. Why is it snowing? Oh, good lord. I just need the phone. I might just reinstall the phone. Actually, I'm just gonna reinstall the entire phone. I'll reset it up in a minute. I'll reset it up later. I change these values and then the whole thing just crashes. Okay, let me go to phone. Hey, it works now. Okay, whatever. So let me do that. I meant to do this one. So I start a job. Then get an email. Oh, I could have thrown it here. Hold on. 1 sec. Wait, I'm calling this in the wrong spot. Now you don't have to get their phone number with this send notification export, because then you can just send a email through here. But true, it is kind of just. Oh yeah, it's not even what I thought it would be. Never mind. I'm going to the send email. We'll get email address. They don't do like an easy way to just get the phone number because of how the script is set up. We can do that and get around it. And then from there we'll send an email. So we could put this over here for a sec. Oh, I wish I had an example. So first it's label. Okay, so let's build this out then. Let's make this easier. We'll do local email data. Here. We need to build out the mail data. So the 2 is going to equal to email. Sender is going to be a fake email. Tim To. The subject is going to be subject is going to be like the header, so we'll do okay, and we'll do a little bit of test just to make sure this is working before I type out the entire thing. Okay, I didn't like that I didn't do the whole thing yet. Let me build the rest of it out. Okay, those are the ones I have to do. like that. That's cool. LB sucks? No, it doesn't. I love it. I love LB phone. We can do some raw text. I love LB. I think they're great. I don't know how to
Boo, you look great.
Oh, no doubt.
Well, I could string the format it. We need. I'm just gonna set it as one object to make life 10 times easier. Wait, when did... When does the target vehicle actually get created? Here. It's not picking the mod. Oh, it's not even doing any of it. Okay, maybe we send the email when you get in the area. That's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to send the email when the player gets into the area. I have no idea what this thing is. A primary. Vehicle model label? No. Get vehicle. There's one to get like the fancy label. That was, thank you. No, wait, it's not display. No, that's not what that is. Get display name from vehicle model. There we go. Nice. W find. And I should still get the model. Yeah, model, and then we'll get the plate too. Get vehicle number. Just happy not to see someone not actually vibe coding. Yeah, I don't find any like value within it really. Did not mean to do that. Like I've advanced obviously. Like for example, like with that like oops, like with this, right? There's no example. This is kind of hard to understand. So I pasted this in a ChatGPT and said, give me an example of this. Boom. Easy. I do it like that. I don't like have it completely type all my scripts for me because that's just lazy. Because also, time is money, and if you spend a lot of time just Googling stuff, I like to see it as like ChatGPT or like any large language model as a very well detailed and fast Google search. Or for simple things like, in this instance, should I use I pairs or pairs? Stuff like that is what I think it's best for. What the hell? It's like with everything, there's a time and a place to use it. Yeah, like I'm not very good with math too, so like I'll like a lot of times ask ChatGPT to help like with math. wonder if Oxford has a lib for this. Alright, I'll just yoink this then, I guess. Yeah, I never done this before actually. The other problem too, this email thing is in Markdown, so I don't know. Oh, I forget Markdown. Okay. Wait, but that's not a header. Whatever. There's another thing about email. The stack up and get messy over time in the mail. I don't know if there's a way to clean it up, maybe directly from SQL. I wonder if there's like I'm sure they have like a delete after X amount of time for like email. Personally, I like the email better. I think it's more like immersive. Like I can be like, oh, I forgot what plate I'm looking for. How else am I gonna know? Oh, I can just go look back at my email. That's not right. Yeah, you could use delete mail after the job is done, so automatically delete. And then you won't have to worry about stuff like that, like piling up. But then you'll have to keep a track of all the emails on the server, like and whose email ID belongs to who and all that. What's happening here? You share some brain cell with me? I need some. Yeah, sure. There you go.
You about to experience club music live here at the Red Rave. People wilding out real crazy. Come on.
We'll do something if
We're just blowing up right now.
to understand you give the variable to sendmail export and then after just remove it with. Yeah, because this returns the ID of the mail. If they're the same, then we're going to set color text to just and this here is just gonna be percent s. It's just going to be color text. I don't know why that deletes the stringed out format. Nice, that's working. And we can do local email IDs. And then, okay, we'll get the citizenry local player equals. And then we'll do local. Don't I literally have a function for this? Oh man. I'll just delete that. So we'll do if email IDs at index CID. And then what we'll do here is when we add them, we add the email here, we will actually be equal to ID. And then we'll do a command here. We'll do a command test e. We'll print JSON dot, or we'll do my debug. We'll print JSON dot encode email IDs. Oh, I forgot to do the delete email. Delete email. Did I just restart LB phone? So if we do test E. All right. Yeah, I mean, like an auto restart like that could be cool, but that just seems problematic because I save on every line. So okay. Why is that not working? Debug mode not on? No, it is because I don't know why that's not working. But whatever, I'll just change it, I guess. Is it even that? Is that why it's not working? cause probably a lot of performance development. Imagine auto stays on, restarting every input. Yeah, that sounds like a nightmare. Especially if it's a big script. Like, could you imagine like a 17 movement job script where it restarts every save? Oh lord. Okay, what is happening? Why is that not printing anything? True, yeah. Half the time when I restart Aux, I have to restart it twice. Oh, back hurt. Yeah, no, I run into that issue too. What is happening? Why is that not working? Whatever. I'll just print it here. Code not coding. Why not code working? I ain't gonna print nothing there. Sit back on my chair and just sitting on the floor. Oh boy, I think it's time to ask Uncle Sam about it. Uncle Chat. Okay, there we go. Now it works. That was weird. Okay, so I have this email here. This newest one. From 2149. 2149. When I turn in vehicle, I have to start a new job. It's also going to be 2149. Show the code. Yeah, I have the server console on my other monitor. Did I go off duty? I did. Oh, wait. Wait, that's the... That's funny. I can read it. Or I can read it fine. I can actually just do this. I like the one I have. I've been using the same theme since I started coding. Yeah, I did see some stuff that you could change the font. I'll see people like change it to like the most vile fonts. Okay, so turn in vehicle. We wait a few seconds, we should get another job. Nice. It's cool. Yeah, no, I would not. I like mine how it is. I'm not a person about change. I don't like change. This is my new one, so let's turn it in. Never even look at my terminal because I never have to really. I don't like do things that require the terminal. And if I do, I just use the CMD terminal. I don't use the built-in VS Code one. Okay, it should have spawned a new vehicle by now. Wonderful. Oh yeah, if you do web dev, yeah, it makes sense. I tried web dev, I just can't. Apparently it deleted one. I think it did. Nice. I tried web development with React, but I can't. I don't know. I just can't. Like I tried tutorials and all the tutorials on YouTube just suck. I can never understand what they're saying. I can use JavaScript a little bit, but I did JavaScript stuff when I was in college, or when I was taking college classes. So plus my native, like my best language for me personally is C#, so Java's a little bit easier for me. Hold on. I don't like how like the lip didn't delete those few times there. Yeah, like these lists should be deleting. Actually, yeah, it's basically React on steroids, full stack. Okay, cool. Yeah, like I can't. The other thing I just dislike about web development is all the like frameworks and crap. Like you follow one tutorial that uses this backend database, and then you do another one that's this backend database, and everything uses different backend databases, and this and that and that and this, and I'm like, that's just a lot. Okay, so now I turn in vehicle, and the blips aren't deleting. Wait. That's for end job. Hold on, this needs to still happen. Oh, it's because I wasn't doing it. Well, that only should happen if we finish the actual job. Well, on job, we said on to do, keep to that. Target vehicle, target lock. Target lock, we don't actually reset that because that gets the last location. Target vehicle, that. Yep, okay. So it was because I just wasn't deleting it. Or it wasn't resetting it correctly. And I don't think it's deleting those emails. I'm gonna purposely wait. It was 21:58. I love this. Okay. Well, we should get another vehicle. Oh, it worked! Well, at least the blip spawned for another vehicle. Wait, if the blip spawned for another vehicle, that means another vehicle should have spawned. Huh. I've been a developer for longer than that. Obviously, my FiveM stuff has been on and off for a long time, but... Here, let's do this again. When was the last... Yeah, I'd say about. Actually, you're right. No, it's about since 2020. Yeah. My first release script. My first script that I ever released on the FiveM forums that wasn't deleted was in 2022.
What is life without pain? I guess I'm growing up. Conquer many mountains at the top, I'm throwing up.
And it was not very good.
I don't know who to trust, so I sit on my computer till you're wiping off the dust. I guess I'm just forgotten. That's the way I feel. I write till I cry. That's just the way I deal. For months I stood still while all you did was peel like I was just
CFG prefix. A lot of people don't make anything like simple. Or like, I guess this would work too, like just putting shared, but I don't know. I just use what I think would be easiest for me to know what's what. Not passing through for a new vehicle because of this. Oh yeah, that one's like, it works. I just kind of adapted this newer one because I like it a little better. It's less typing. I don't have to do the config dot for everything. And personally, I just think it looks better. So it spawned the blip for a new job. It shouldn't exist, but am I breaking out of this? Okay, that's fine. This only... I don't know, the CSG one, when I look at scripts I use, it just reminds me of those old tree scripts. Yeah, I get your point. Sometimes I just use the things. Yeah, it's a lot of times it's just kind of like what you like the most. What's up, Rack? How you doing, man? Okay, good. So then if I do this, so it's still waiting 20. Because on, wait. Oh man, on job equals true. That's why we weren't resetting on job. Okay, so 2209. Definitely not deleting the email. Definitely not. Does it delete mail? Does that want a string? And let's turn this in. There's the zone. There's email. It works. Yeah, it works. Nice. Okay.
I was always alone.
Nice. Okay. It's working. Except I don't really need to send this whole like this. Like this. I think when we call this like right away, start job, this to me is dumb. We should only call this. We should do like the same thing we do in turn in vehicle. Milovac, what's up, man? I'm too lazy typing lib notifies manually, so I just do functions from all scripts. Saves me some brain cells. Yeah, I do that sometimes. It just depends on how I set it up to start with. Like, I have my own my own functions that I have just ready to go if I use them. I also use my own bridge sometimes too, but it just depends. Want to make a bridge so bad, I'm too lazy to do it. I've been thinking about it for a long time. Yeah, I mean, I just use mine pretty often now. Nice, so it doesn't give you a call immediately anymore. Now I'm gonna do some more math so it gives you calls with these based on what your level is too. This is... Oh, I hate UI. Cool. Error out, yeah. 311. Why is it doing this? I'm not... Didn't even give me a job. Wait, what? Yeah, but like yeah, I want to try to repeating myself. Like, how much time can I do the same give item thing? Yeah, I feel that too. If you guys like the stream, helps put the stream out there. Grow the channel. If you guys have, make sure you join my FiveM server. !point erupted RP. Looking for everything. Remove that at the bottom. There we go. Works. Hooray! This script is pretty much done, except I just need to set up pay and everything, which I'm going to do that tomorrow because I'm going to end stream because it's been 2 hours and 40 minutes. I am not ready for bed, but I'm ready to just chillax. So if you guys like the stream, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you join my FiveM server. Help us grow the community of good RP, good scripts, good community. The command, you know, it just doesn't even work. It works because it just sent the message, but I just was impatient. But if you guys are interested in that, there's a link. I'm spamming it because I'm a degenerate. But yeah, make sure you guys have a good night, morning, wherever you are. Peace out.